Hi, I'm Paula Pierce, and this is Can You Use Graphite Transfer Sheets for T-Shirts? Well, yes you can, and today I'm going to show you how. The main thing that you need to remember is that graphite transfer paper is a gray color, and so it prints well or transfers well onto a white t-shirt or a very light color. If you have a dark colored t-shirt, you need to use a different color transfer paper, but the process is the same. To begin with, select a white t-shirt on which to apply your design. Select graphite for white or another color of transfer paper if your t-shirt is darker. You will also need a design. It's best to select something simple. Lay down your graphite transfer sheet with the gray side face down on your t-shirt. Carefully position the design where you would like it to appear on the t-shirt. Trace your design. Make sure you apply firm pressure to get a dark enough line on your t-shirt. Finish your design with fabric paint or Sharpies.